Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Carrot or Wix, which one you should choose as a website building platform. In this video, I am breaking down Carrot versus Wix, and if you are confused, this video will make everything clear. First of all, we will know about Carrot. Carrot is a platform made specially for the real estate investors, agents, and property professionals. It is not a general purpose website builder. It is focused on helping you get leads, sellers, buyers, and motivated sellers. On the other hand, Wix is a general purpose website builder. You can build anything you want, like portfolio, e-commerce, personal website, or blog site, and anything, just anything you want. Wix is not built for any targeted users, so anyone can use Wix and any purpose and can make anything they want. Now we will learn about the features of them. First of all, we will learn about the features of Carrot. So let's see what are the features Carrot offers. First one is Carrot is extremely fast. Comparing with any other platforms, Carrot is super fast. It is built targeting the special purpose so that it loads fast and it can rank well. Next one is the templates in Carrot platform is SEO optimized. Next one is built-in conversion tools. There are so many conversion tools that you can use from the Carrot platform to track the conversion and to make convert. There are so many built-in conversion tools in Carrot. And another one is simple landing pages. Next one is it is the most important features of Carrot and it is designed for lead generation. Every Carrot website generates a good number of leads per year. As it is made specially for a niche or a category, that's why it generates a good number of leads per year. So Carrot is more like a specialized tool, not a general website builder. Now let's see the features of Wix. First one is easy drag and drop editor. That is a super easy editor where you can build your website just drag and drop. And if you are very beginner, you can build your first website within an hour. And next one is templates, beautiful templates. As Carrots, there are so many templates in Wix platform. You can use any template that fits your business purpose. Next one is hundreds of apps. There are so many apps that you can integrate in your website to add more functionality to your website. And next one is good for beginners, as you can build a website drag and drop, and it is basically beginners friendly platform where you don't need any coding knowledge, that you can build any website you want. Wix offers a complete solution for any kind of business. If you want to start an e-commerce website, you can go. If you want to make a personal blog or a portfolio website, you can also go. So it offers complete solutions for all the users. Wix gives you more freedom, but it is not focused on specific industry. So now we can conclude that Carrot is designed for a specific niche or category, where Wix is not designed for any specific industry or niche. Anyone can use Wix for making the website, but Carrot is only used by the real estate investors, agents, or professionals. So which one you should choose? If you are trying to make a general purpose website like an e-commerce store, personal blog, or portfolio website, you should choose Wix. But if you are a real estate investor or agent or property professionals, you should choose carrot.com. So this is the basic difference between Carrot and Wix, and the basic difference between the users of Carrot and Wix. So for general purpose, you can choose wix.com, and for special purpose like only for real estate niche, you should choose carrot.com. That's all the video, and there are links in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks for watching.